To episode 2 of this amazing survival game. So we're going to continue off where we did from last time on the beach with this one-legged Herschel dude. And let's have a word.
Last week, on another island, we found an old air tanker. It's damaged, but we could repair it and escape. Boats can get us island to island, but by air, that seems to be the only way out of here. Andrew's mission was to find gas for the plane. This is your job now. Problem is, night is coming. And you need to know some really freaky creatures come out only at night, along with the other monsters. These creatures are vile and really aggressive. They only attack when it's dark and hate bright
Freaks
lights,
come out at
you
night.
should use that against them.
Apparently.
I'll use my personal flashlight to go to the village. But can I ask you to light me the campfire just here?
Light the sky a campfire. Okay, I don't remember. There we go. Objectives, skills, okay. Is that it? What's this? Make incendiary arrows. Reloading weapons. Quick aim. Unbreakable. Hard diet. Alright. So I can do a fire now. Left bumper. Okay, I did the skill thing already, game. Right?
Light the campfire for me, please. I don't want to stay here in the dark with these nasty...
Alright, man. Chill. Where do you want me to put the fire? How do I light a fire? It says I have the fire. I don't know. How do I, Okay, game, helping me out here. How do I make a fire? Need a hardware box to fix this. Okay, I don't think I was supposed to do that. I've made an axe. This is extremely boring for you to watch right now. It totally is. Uncombine. Piece of fabric. You gonna tell me how to do this?
Can't fight for me, please. I don't want to stay here in the dark.
Is there like a help? Instructions how to make armor. No, I need instructions on how to make fire. Uh-huh. Okay. All right. Unlock the required ability. Select and use. Okay, it's selected. But I unlock. You dumb game. I need to kill people. Let out my frustration. I need to let out some frustration. What do we have here? More pieces of fabric. I think that's somewhat useful at some point. The game wants me to come here. There we go.
Great. Thank you. This should be enough to keep them at bay. As promised, here's my flashlight. If they come after, aim the light at them, and they will stay away for a while. Okay? Alright, good. Let's get back to the real issue. The gasoline.
Okay, I got a flashlight. Whoa. Something's wrong there.
Kovacs rules. Chapter 4. Survival by night. Beware. Another kind of monster appears at night. There are many of these, and they are aggressive. But they hate the light. You can easily keep them at bay with a torch. Or a flashlight. When you sense night coming on, check for your flashlight. You won't want to be caught without it in the dark.
Well, pretty much the same thing our Herschel buddy told us. Ah. I died. What if we ate some of this healing plant? That definitely helped. What do we have over here? Interesting game. I can't go that way. And I died again. This is getting a little ridiculous, I think. Take a more of a slower approach to kill these people. Okay, okay, okay. One at a time, folks. I got a turn for everybody. What's that healing plant? Something over here for me to take? No? No? Anybody? Bueller. 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 Alright. This game is... Oh shit. Really? Like, I can't tell if it's nighttime, if I'm supposed to be, like, possibly throwing or using the flashlight. Man, these things are relentless, dude. Relentless. Where's that healthy flower? Okay, let's try this again. Some healing plant. I'm supposed to make it all the way up there. Wow. Okay. I think I'm gonna put a cut here. I know this episode was a tad bit on the boring side for you all, but we are going to stop here, and hopefully the next episode won't be so boring. So, see you next time.